Of course, we'll get viewers talking about the snail business we just finished. Some folks says, just put on Twitter, I said we should give our viewers all it takes to do snail farming, because some folks may just want to do that. That will have to be paid for. We want to know all it takes to do snail farming. I was thinking I'm going to do. But let's get Temple Ashaju, business correspondent, is live to us at the stock exchange. Temple, we're talking about snail farming. And some folks say we should give them all it takes to do maybe a business plan on how to run a snail farming. I'm interested in that. Why should I give that out on television? Would you?
We're not interested in snail movement in the market here. We love it when it moves much faster in the market. We love bullish sentiment in the market, even though right now the market is a little bit marginally down, 0.01% in the market, and we're seeing a whole lot of sell down in the banking names. The fact that we saw Fidelity Bank as the most actively traded in terms of losses as well yesterday is what we're still seeing being sustained in the market right now. That particular company has lost some more, 3.77% at this point in time in the market. You have FBN Holdings and UB as well as Zenith also currently now on the top trades chart in the markets here. It tells you that some investors are now reducing their holdings in this company, perhaps by way of taking profit or just basically doing that to rebalance their holdings in these companies. Generally, we've seen some 5.37 million units of shares done so far this morning, valued at some 4.2 million naira so far. Basically, that's what we've seen at this point in time. So in terms of the gains, we've seen Better Glass and ICO currently doing well in the market, both.
Yeah, Tempo, if this is beginning to look at, like what you said, if the banking stocks are taking a hit, yesterday that was about 0.29% in the banking sector in terms of the index, not significant, but again, if you look at what the banking sector represents on the market, that's a sector to watch for anyone who is stepping into our market.
It is the right peak. It's always the biggest peak in the market, whether you're waiting to enter the market to look at the low prices or you want to sell quickly. The banking names are always the first to actually look at, whether you're looking at the tier 1 names or the tier 2 names. The likes of Fidelity Bank fall in that category. Wema Bank also falls in that tier 2 categories, as well as Diamond Bank in this market. Now, these are companies that last week, they really didn't enjoy so much of bargain hunting in the market. Now, this week, yesterday, when the market opened, we saw a bit of more interest in it. And you know that we've seen some offshore investors in the market fairly in recent time. Now that we're seeing a sell-off this morning, it's more like we're seeing the little bit of exit of these offshore investors, given the kind of uncertainty we're having in the system that's in the macro space right now. So the banking names are always the major picks in the market. If you're looking for liquidity and you're looking for active stocks, they're the ones to watch in the system. And that's why we're saying this. For some of the names that you have currently being the worst hits in the market and currently found on the top trades charts of the market, they are likely to still shoot up if you look at the system carefully before the market closes today. Unity Bank, which is the second worst performing stock in recent time, is currently a particular one that a lot of investors are looking, and it's currently on offer in the market. We know that there's a whole lot around that particular company, but then it means that very soon some investors will rush into that again, and before you know it, you see a couple of other investors trying to exit their position on that company. So the banking names, as you know, Bosin, they are the real ones to watch in the market. Then you talk about the consumer goods.
Okay, Temple, you watch the market. You got the glasses there. You see more than I do here in the studios. Okay, stay close to the ground. Temple, all eyes and ears on the market. Have a great day. I'll see you everyone tomorrow. Bye for now.